I'm about to take the back cover off this Dell Prescision 5680, and in order to do that, it has special fasteners. They're Torx number 5, and I have a connection of all sorts of bits that have connectors on them, and the closest I have is a number 7, and I need one that's even smaller than that. So you could go out to the computer store, pay about 20 bucks for something that'll have the right bit. Or you can go to a big box store and get something like this. This was like $12. This is 1000039,373. You get a total of 18 pieces, the handle being one of them, 5 pentalobes, 3 hex, 6 stars, 2 Phillips, 4 slotted, and 1 all scribe. Plus, you get a lifetime warranty. Unlike some other kits, the box itself does not count as one of the 18 items. Handle is curved shape, the end spins, and I'm not gonna lie to you, this is probably not the best handle in the world, but since we're not using this for a ton of work, it should suffice. This Dell has a total of 8 fasteners, 2 on the back side, 2 center, 2 towards the front, and then 2 towards the center of the front. We're using our Torx number 5. They should turn fairly easy. It shouldn't take a lot of torque, because if it does, then either the screw is going to get stripped out or the bit. And now you want to make sure that you put that in a safe place. So we're going to get a little lid or container so that we don't lose these fasteners. With the 8 fasteners in a safe place, we put that out of the way so we don't knock it over. You should be able to just snap, 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 snap in place. And now we're going to go to our little container and reattach all 8 fasteners. Thing to note, most of these go in at an angle. So what I do is I place them and then I turn counterclockwise so that they have a chance to drop into where they're threaded. Then I go forward. While this Husky set gave me the right torque size tool to work on my laptop, and it got the job done, would I recommend this to someone? The answer is going to be no. And I'll tell you why. It's not a very high quality tool. So let's say that, you know, I don't do a lot of computer maintenance, but occasionally I do. And for that, this will come in handy. If I was using this tool every day or once a week, I'd probably pay $31, $64 to get a much better set than I did. This was like $12, $13. The bits are all black. The metal seems like it's not very hardened, so I see ends of it a little bit worn. So I don't think this has a lot of longevity. It does come with some very nice bit sizes, but the handle's really cheap. You can do much better at a cost. So quite literally, you know, at $12, I think this set is overpriced. This should have been like one of those cheap to-me sets where you can get it for like $5 or $6. So yes, it got the job done for me. If I was doing several of these a month, this is not the toolkit that I would get. But in a pinch, yeah, I think for the small amount of time that I'm going to be using it, it's an okay purchase. but I can't recommend it as something for someone who wants a quality tool to do quality work with. Quick update, I've used this set once again to take the back off of another laptop, and I noticed that my T5 is starting to strip out already. So, you know, this is a one-off, and for $12, $13, it should be more useful than that. So I can't really recommend this unless you just don't have anything more than $12 and you need the tool. Then you can buy it, but don't expect to get much more use out of this. I'm actually going to return this back to the store. If you found this video interesting or useful, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, join the subscription team, and as always, thank you ever so much for watching.